Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're at the Uganda Museum at the Kampala Cake Fair. I'm going to be taking you inside there so that I can show you exactly what's happening at the Cake Fair 2019 in Kampala. The Kampala Cake Fair is an annual event that happens every first weekend of December, and it's where the baking world comes together. It's a family day out that brings together bakers, suppliers and cake eaters in an event filled with activities for both children and adults. 2019 marked the third edition, which was filled with lots of cake eating, networking, cake and eating competitions, baking training, and it was all about party in the night with fireworks and live performances from various artists.
My name is Kenneth Mugabe, and we are the Kemba, and we are all artists.
Without further ado, let me show you around, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment. Interesting cake. It's a carrot cake. Really nice. Really nice.
Hey guys, I'm Barista Isaac and I'm with UC here today at the Cake Festival. There's our tent there. Tent somewhere there. Yeah. There's Ugandan coffee there. You can go and have a taste and give us a feedback about our coffee. Thank you.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older.
We're here, this is Sheraton Cake. Invitations, Kampala Sheraton Hotel.
So they keep on dipping, then they dip, they eat. Okay, yes.
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
guys, it's really awesome here. Really awesome.
If any one of you thinks you need to wash your hands before you eat, please speak now or forever hold your peace. 5, help me people. 4, help me out. Attack.
Faded in this dark and smoky room. Way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. Come on. I need to see that on the screen. Yes. Now, never do that at someone's wedding. They will never invite you again. They'll be like, no, not you. We know you. We saw all the photos. That's, wow. All the ingredients, by the way, are from Bahadri. Yes. The one who said brownie is, yes, he said brownie. Yes, you too! Yeah! Where's cake? Okay, cake. Someone's gonna shoot me here. Okay. I give you popcorn. Cake for smiles. That's what we do.
After all the daytime activities and entertainment was done, it was time for nighttime entertainment and rewarding of the competitors who were involved in the Cake Fair 2019.
Do not try this at home.
So in the wedding category, number 3 is cake and all that. Please cake and all that. Wedding. Okay. The second is the infield cakery. Now, we had also a public vote, popular vote. You people went and voted one baker who you felt was your best. And that baker is going to win a rotator.
My name is Kenneth Mugabe, and we are the Kemba, and we are all artists. We are all artists. Mugabe. I'm sorry, Mugabe. Now we go, Mugabe. I'm sorry, Mugabe. Amanyo fumba etoke amanyo tokosa amanyo kwambala buli kyenyola amanyo golala obukodya bujjayo nenerabira ebibi byakoze obuwami buddaboozi byenze gyendagandabayo buli wenkoma wankulisayo amazzi n'ateekayo kamasage nanyigako nekacayi natabula bwasanyuka asanyuka nnyo buli kyenyoya ng'aleeterawo Bwenenyiza nzize mpali muddeboozi lyegombesa gagamba Mugabe nawe gwe Mugabe Mugabe mwana gwe Mugabe forgive me Mugabe I'm sorry Mugabe nawe gwe Mugabe nawe I'm sorry Mugabe Jigalambere mukwano gwo nazakubika kalabando oyo talina tabbo Jigalambere mukwano gwo notes nazazikopa omusomesa oyo talina tabbo buli kabuuzo kasoya nga zakakuttira sukaali w'obuugi nja kusombera obugino mu ssaati nja buteekamu nzembeze mbeere mukwano gwo
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.